Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to open a Ford Transit key fob. First, gather your tools. You will need a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic prying tool. Also, make sure you have a new CR2032 coin cell battery on hand for replacement. It is always best to work on a clean, well-lit surface to ensure you do not misplace any tiny components during the process. This preparation makes the entire task much smoother. Next, we need to remove the internal emergency key. Look for a small release button, typically found on the side or back of your key fob. Press and hold this button down firmly. While holding the button, gently pull the metal emergency key straight out from the fob's casing. This key is essential for manually opening your vehicle if the fob battery dies, so keep it safe. With the emergency key removed, you will now see a small notch or slot inside the opening. This is where we will begin to separate the two halves of the key fob. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver or plastic prying tool into this slot. Gently twist or pry the tool. You should hear a slight click as the two halves begin to separate, revealing the internal components. Now it is time to replace the battery. First, observe the orientation of the old battery before you remove it. Typically, the positive side faces up. Carefully take out the old coin cell battery from its compartment. Then, insert your new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side is facing in the correct direction. Finally, align the two halves of the key fob and press them firmly together until they click securely into place. Your fob is now ready.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.